Hello, welcome to Azure Administrator AG104 revamp video. So in this video today we are doing lab 04 where we will be playing with virtual networking and its component. So since I am following the official GitHub curriculum for this lab work, so there are four tasks listed in this lab. So first one is creating virtual networking in its component like subnet, etc. From the GitHub portal itself through the button clicks. Second is doing the same thing, performing the same tasks with the scripting JSON template. Third would be managing and creating the NSG and ASG network security group and application security group. And fourth is managing the DNS zone, etc. So coming to the first one, let's create the virtual networking first. So just go on this top search bar here and just type the virtual networking. So I'll be just selecting here virtual networking. So when you appear on this dashboard, just hit on the plus create button and provide all the details here. If you haven't created your group resource group, then just create one. I would recommend that follow the naming convention given on the GitHub portal. It's easier and it's more adaptable actually. So you just give that fill up all the details. Once you have filled everything, just review plus create and then hit on create. It will be created. You can monitor the notification bar here on the top right corner. So here you will be seeing the progress where it is, whether it is deployed yet or not. So once it is deployed and ready, now next task would be just go to that virtual network and export the template. So as I mentioned in the previous lab that once any thing is created here, so the respective template is getting generated on the Azure portal. So what you need to do is you just need to go to this any of this virtual network, I mean the one which we have just created, and go to the automation tab here. You can see the automation tab here, and then select on the export template. So here you get an option to download the templates. So since I have already downloaded the templates, you just hit on this and then download the template. So when you will be hitting this and will be downloading, there would be two .json file. One is the parameter.json and another would be template.json file. So your next task would be creating the same infrastructure, one virtual network and two subnets within that with the template itself. So which template which you have just downloaded, the template.json file and parameter.json file, just open that and edit that and make sure that whatever parameters you are going to insert there again, that should not there should not be any conflict with the networking which you have already created just with the dashboard. For an example, the IP ranges must not conflict, the name must not conflict, subnets plus vnet both name must not conflict here. So I would just like to showcase you that what I had created. So when I go to this and when I hit on the virtual network here, so you can see this that since I am following the naming convention of the GitHub portal, so this one is the first one which I had created through the Azure portal, and second one is through the this one template. So when you click on this, you will get two underlying subnets within that. And make a note of this that when you create virtual network and underlying subnets within that, then network security voucher is also created by default. So that is one of the resource which by default gets created. Now we are done with the two tasks. creating the virtual network and subnets, underlying subnets, through the Azure portal, and second through the templates. Now, our third task would be to create ASG and NSG, which is Application Security Group and Network Security Group. So, what you will be doing there is just go ahead and just type the Application Security Group here. Uh, Here you will land on this dashboard. Just hit on the plus create and uh, fill all the values. What is recommended there on the GitHub portal, I would also recommend it to fill or to go through that. So once you fill up everything here, hit on the review plus create, it will be created. Next is the network security group. So once you have created the application security group, another would be the network security group. So just hit on the network security group, type here, and again you need to plus create, hit on the plus create button. Here you can see there is already one entry which I already had created, one NSG. So here it is created. So for you, just hit on plus create, fill up all the details. Just be very cautious about the IP ranges which you are filling. Be very cautious about the name which you are giving. It must not be taken already. Your name should be unique. That name, if you are getting any conflict, just insert any digits like 1 2 3 etc. So once this is created, you are done with the two tasks. The next task, basically the three tasks, basically you have created the applications security group and network security group. Now you need to connect this with the virtual networking within the subnets. So what you will be doing that is go to the virtual network security. Here we are already on this page. Go to this setting button in the left side panel. Just go to the settings, and under that there would be if you just go to the setting, there you get a link of in adding in the rules like ASG and NSG, and you will be able to connect with the virtual network. Okay, just let me go here. Yeah, here in the network security group, here when you go, okay, let me click here. Yeah, yes. Here there are two options given: inbound traffic, inbound rules, and outbound rules. So here what you need to do is you need to configure. You would observe that there are already predefined default inbound and outbound rules which are there in the NSG. So again you need to add few inbound and outbound rules by your own. So to do that, you would just hit on the plus add button, and you would just add your own as per the guided in the GitHub portal. And outbound route also you can add there as per the guided on the GitHub portal. So once these both are added, your network security group is connected there, and you are good with the tasks number 3. The last and fourth task, which is DNS zone setup. So you just need to go under the portal, and on the top search bar you just type here the DNS zones. Once once you appear on this dashboard, just select the DNS zone, hit on plus create, and then when you hit on plus create, something this kind of dashboard will pop up, and then you just select everything whatever is needed there. Make sure that your resource group is only one for this entire lab, so that in the further cleanup process you just need to delete that resource group and everything will be washed away. So you just follow going forward, you just follow the GitHub portal, and there all everything like whatever things are given guidance, you just follow that. There is nothing more in this lab. Pretty well is normal. You just need to be very careful about two three things. One is the IP ranges which you are providing to the vnets and the underlying subnets. The second would be the naming convention which you are following. Make sure that in the templates also you should follow the same thing. So these are pretty much it's straightforward actually. You just need to be a bit cautious about the naming convention and IP ranges. That's it. uh, that's it. You are done with the four tasks four, which completes this lab work. At the end, don't forget to delete all the resources which you have created for this particular lab. Then you are good to go ahead and proceed with the further lab. So pretty this much in this lab, in this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.